Hello, this is Bharti. I have taken Vedic Numerology Kundli matching course from Jyotish. I felt very happy joining this class. From this class, one can know whether the boy and girl Kundlis match or not very easily with little time, within limit time. And with this course, one can help to overcome their problems through the remedies given by Joyji, and everything as explained in a simple method. And Joyji has lots of patience answering when we all have question lot many times. Thank you, Joyji. Thanks for your patience and thanks for your knowledge. Namaste.